In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting headphones. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your headphones are properly plugged in. So make sure they're firmly pushed in, and possibly you may have gone and pushed it into the wrong port. So make sure you put them into a speaker jack. The next thing I recommend you to do is go to the bottom right on your Windows and go into the sound settings. And in your sound settings, go to output, and where it says choose where to play sound, make sure you've got your headphone selected. And sometimes when you go and plug a device in Windows, it doesn't automatically go and start outputting to that device, so you may need to go and manually select it. So if I go and plug some headphones, I need to go and select that here. And if they're Bluetooth, then what you need to do is come down to pair a new output device. Click on add device and then go and click on Bluetooth. And then go and connect it. The next thing I recommend doing is running a troubleshooter. So to do that, all you need to do is go to the bottom of your Windows and click on search and then type in troubleshoot. And what you can do is go and click on the other troubleshooters and select playing audio. And on the right side, click on run. And then Windows is going to go and detect problems. And then here, select the device if you can even see the device here. So if none of these work, what I recommend doing is testing your headphones with another device, because if it doesn't work there, so it's a sign that there is a problem with your headphones. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.